Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 2 boxes of 1314 Crown Royal, and it's break number 8. As you can see there, last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and that sold at 1947 Eastern Time. Here's our eBay time. We'll just refresh it. There it is, 1708 Pacific, 2008 Eastern, and 2108 in good old Nova Scotia time. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. I thank everybody for jumping in and grabbing teams as usual. And break number 8. Serial numbers ending in 3232 and 9753. Now I'm just going to turn the lights on here. I've got to give us a little bit of light, so we'll get that going. And our first serial number, we'll show it upside down, is 9753. And the box. And our other box is 3232. That must mean something. Must mean it's a wicked box, huh? Gotta be. Let's open that one first. Alrighty, let's get right with it and see if that holds true or not. There's your boxes, or your boxes, your packages. It doesn't look like anything awfully thick, but we all know it doesn't need to be awfully thick, right? Alrighty. We'll start off with Dallas Stars, Tyler Sagan. Dallas goes out to J. Jacks is 6.5. And then we've got for the LA Kings, Tyler Toffoli. And that is Heirs to the Throne. That's going out to Malco 400. Congratulations, guys. For the Montreal Canadiens, Social Signatures, Joel Cam 66. And we got Colby Armstrong. And that's Arm Dog. That Arm Dog. I was trying to see it. Couldn't see it. He is a Montreal Canadian, so that goes out to Joel Cam, like I said. For the Preds and Joel Cam 66, we've got Taylor Beck, Rookie Royalty, very nice. Last pack of box 1, there's a thick one there, Mythologies I bet. For the Buffalo Sabres and a JC Me 66, got Grant Fuhr. Nice. Mythology Materials. Nice 3-color patch there. That's numbered 4 out of 10. Very nice. Congratulations out to Buffalo. Box number 2. Well, that wasn't a bad box. It's a real sweet looking Buffalo hit there. This one's got some thickness to it too. We'll go from thin to thick. How's that? Another one. Rob Blake. That's Mythology materials for the Kings. Very nice. Congratulations. For the Islanders, Chubbs, 74.93. How's it going? We've got Joe Finley, Sovereign Sakes. Nice card. Too bad the auto is on tape. Always so much better when they're hard signed, but hey, not too bad at all anyway. Here we've got a thick one. Should be a Sovereign Sigs in there. For the Boston Bruins, Carl Soderberg. Silhouette, very nice. That's numbered out of 99, 78 out of 99. Last pack. For the New Jersey Devils, Mr. Mustang 82. How's it going, Carl? Jaromir Jagr. Silhouette. Very nice. Not numbered. And there you have it, folks. Thanks very much. I know some of you are in my next break, which is a box of Dominion. And then I've got a SP game used right after that. Tomorrow night I got 2 more boxes of Crown Royal, which I kind of made a mistake when I put them up. They were supposed to be up tonight. And I put them for Saturday night. So anyway, I'll do that one Saturday night. Hope to see you there. Have a good weekend, everybody. Good night. Happy bidding.